These fine folks all have the opportunity of a lifetime to marry none other than Catwoman. That's all coming up this season on the CAT-chelorette. So what qualities are you looking for in a partner?
Well, rich, and doesn't ask too many questions like, where'd you get all these sacks of cash?
Sounds like you know what you want. Let's meet our bachelors.
I got this gift just for you.
Wait, isn't this mine?
Yep, left it at my house. I found it under the couch this morning, so.
You a billionaire? Dude! Why?
Hi, nice to meet you. Sorry, allergies.
Do you need something?
I'm good. I thought I was gonna be late because I took the bus today.
Do you have a gift for me?
I've got a sandwich in my bag if you want it. It's pretty good. It's tuna.
Harley, what are you doing?
What? No, I'm Superman. I'm Superman. See?
So, how does it feel to have these 4 lucky contestants vying to steal your heart?
Stealing? That's my thing.
You look beautiful in your Catwoman suit that you wear. So I don't know if you guys actually already know this, but me and Catwoman kind of have a bit of a history together. Question. So I thought that we kind of already had like a thing. I thought we were already.
I'm just keeping my options open.
Like I was saying, I'm just super excited. Cannot wait to get my dance on.
Hold on. How old are you?
15? I'm feeling really good about this. I'm looking for someone to take to the semi-formal dance at the end of the month, and I was gonna take Gwen Stacy, but she kind of fell through with those plans, so looking for love. So you don't want to go to the dance with me?
Honey, oh my God. Can I call your mom?
Oh, hello. I prepared dinner. I was on my way to Gotham Savings and Loan for a little withdrawal. When I saw the lights and the cameras, I said, "What's going on here?" Thought I'd pop on in. Is this a game show?
What? Okay, you know what? Date over.
I'm gonna blow up a hospital then.
Harley, what are you doing here?
What? Who's hot? Oh, who's hot? I'm Superman. I'm obviously Superman. Look,
Yeah.
I've got the thing. You guys, it's not actually Superman. It's me, Harley Quinn.
So where's Superman?
Oh, he was supposed to be here, but I went and kidnapped Lois Lane, put her in a lead box in my trunk. He's never gonna find her.
You're Superman?
This thing, and I've got the.
So you can fly.
Yo. Really, I'm just here to keep an eye on Mr. J.
No, I mean I get that. I didn't put a ring on it and stuff, but oh my God, yeah, okay. Hospital blew up.
You gotta leave.
I gotta go. It's my job. I'm on duty all the time.
Yeah.
So okay, I'll see you later.
This is why.
Okay, here we go. Hope you're not afraid of heights. What?
Oh yeah. Yep, this is exciting.
Well, all right, Catwoman, they're all right there, so why don't you tell our contestants about the challenges you've prepared?
Well, I need to see who can follow direction, take instruction, do what I say, and most importantly, stay out of my way. So I've cooked up these 3 perfect challenges. Okay, guys. First challenge is the flower toss.
Why are we doing this?
I know, right?
I got this.
Oh!
Obviously. You're terrible at everything.
Just throw it then. What? You're so bad
far
at that!
Hey, guys, just let me get one more. I get a mulligan.
Oh, what is that?
I love you, Catwoman.
With the super
Yes!
All right, guys. Hey, everybody listen up. Listen, do you guys honestly think Catwoman is gonna choose any of you over me? We have history.
Yeah, right here.
You?
Yeah.
Oh, what are you, 6 years old?
I'm 15 and a half.
15 and a half? Gross. Harley Quinn, why are you even here?
What? Harley who? I am Superman.
Oh,
It says right there.
you're Superman, huh? Hey, what planet are you from, Superman?
Krypton.
Cripper Yeah, totally wrong. And you're a mass murderer. Why are you here?
Yeah, why are you here?
You really think she's gonna choose you over me?
Oh, Harley chose me and your parents are dead.
Say that again to my face.
Well, show me your face. I'd love to.
You touch my hat!
Wow, what a lineup. Some great challenges. Catwoman, are you ready to give out your ceremonial rose?
Well, kind of. Here.
A dead mouse. Okay, who gets the dead mouse?
Well, you know, I'm kind of like an outdoor kitty. I'm pretty independent, so I think I'm good. Bye, guys.
What? Selena.
Huh.
Hey.
All right, thanks for watching, everyone. I don't have my wallet.
Wait.
I keep
My favorite joy buzzer's gone.
birth certificate.
My
is there.
smoke bombs and other utility things.